For the construction problem of Unit 6, we have to know, we have the pool table problem, where we work on taking pool ball A and bouncing it along one of these four sides so that it will hit pool ball B. And in this question, we're going to be trying to get ball A to bounce off this bottom side of the table in order to hit ball B. And the essential understanding you're going to need to have is the knowledge that when a pool ball bounces off a table, the angle it creates with this base side of the rectangle will be congruent to the angle it makes with its trajectory when it bounces off the table. So if you see the diagram I have right now, it bounces off to make three angles, and the two on the side are congruent angles. And we're going to use that knowledge to help us do this problem. And obviously the lines I just drew were an estimate. And just remember, this comes off as a construction problem. We're only doing it on a graph now because I think it's easier to understand. And the math behind bouncing from pool ball A to pool ball B is to start by taking a reflection of point A across the line of reflection of the side of the table I'm trying to bounce it against, namely the bottom side. So I will take point A and I will reflect it across the line of reflection, and the distance from pool ball A to the line is 3. So then the distance of its reflection image point will also be 3 units away. Now I have to draw a segment from the reflection point to point B, and this angle right here is the angle I'm going to want to make with the trajectory from ball A to the table. So what I'm going to do is take this point where the trajectory of the reflection of point A hits that point B, and we draw another segment from A to that point to indicate that's where I would bounce the ball off of. And when all is said and done, we can erase our original reflection point, recognize that this angle is congruent to this angle, and that this would be the point that I would want to bounce off of the bottom wall of this pool table, so that point A bounces off the wall and hits point B. And now that you've seen how I can do this graphically, the next video is where I show you how to do this reflection through constructions.